It's called the Bible, the Word of God. It's all in there. It's all in there. And I kind of like the funny thing that's happening today with the Western nations crying foul at Russia. They are looking for relevance. That's the point. Because COVID made them look stupid. So what they're looking for is relevance. They're trying to make Russia the scapegoat as they did during the elections, creating fraudulent security information about Russia's intended invasion of Ukraine. And it's two things that are actually happening. Number one is it's fraudulent. Number two is they're actually sending a signal. They are inviting Putin. They are inviting him. They are inviting him. And they're actually saying, the coded language is, if you invade Ukraine, nothing will happen. So they're actually showing him, while they're giving the whole world the information, this fraudulent information that if he does anything, he's going to face the music. They're going to take actions. Come on. These are the most feckless and toothless political class we've ever had. I'll show you from the Bible. I'm not giving you my personal description of them. No, no, no. The Bible shows they're feckless and toothless. So those threats that they're issuing to Russia are well understood. It's all coded language. They're saying, and I can tell you, if Putin went into Ukraine, none of those nations will fight. United States will not fight. France will not fight. All those European nations will not fight. It will happen like he took over Crimea. So make no mistakes about it. This talk about war and no, they're looking for relevance because, like I said, COVID-19 made them look stupid because it was a fiasco, a debacle. I told you it was a debacle. I told you. The angel of the Lord said, debacle, debacle, debacle. I told you. Look at what's happening with them. It's a mess. It's a mess. So the threats to Russia are actually nonsensical. And the president of Ukraine said to them, please take actions against Russia now. Release the sanctions. Let's know what the sanctions will be. Let them know exactly what's going to happen so that they don't even dare come. And they said, no, we will only declare sanctions when the planes are actually flying and the bombs have begun. What's that? How many bombs would Russia need to silence Ukraine? They said, we're not going to do anything until the planes are actually flying and the bombs are actually dropping. So the guy said, if you wait until then, you're not helping us. No, they said, if we do what you're asking, we'll close the diplomatic window.